are those people that don't realise that they have a problem that can be solved by Williams Grand Prix Technologies methodologies, derived from Formula One, essentially. What typical problem would you see in industry that the people probably don't realise within that industry that can be solved with something that you do? Is this something that's obviously apparent to you but might not be obvious to them in that industry, if that makes sense?
So I think within Formula One itself, it's an industry that prides itself on efficiency, fast iteration, but then also being extremely accurate and repeatable in its processes, its methodologies, and the way that it continually improves itself. So the car that will leave the garage in January for testing will pale in comparison to the car that rolls out in Abu Dhabi in November, December time. And I think that's something that can be directly applied to any industry, any business. Every business wants to be more efficient, wants to prototype faster, to get things to market quicker. And I think that's where we can offer a real key advantage, is that we understand how to condense these design iteration loops down, how to make sure we do things as efficiently and quickly as possible. We cut out the bits that aren't needed, but still at the same time, we still adhere to those regulations, make sure safety standards are still met to and adhered to, and most importantly as well, performance is not compromised. So it's making sure we have those components of speed, performance and safety all wrapped in together, but they are our focus, and we're making sure we're doing that as an efficient way as possible.
And we can pretty much do that for multiple industries, can't we? Multiple sectors.
Yes, and part of that is why Williams Grand Prix Technology has this sort of opportunity in the market. The way I see it is that we are able to adapt the ways of working for the different industries, for the different companies, because not everyone will work the same, but we can still work off those core principles and then create systems, strategies, solutions, whatever it may be, for that specific business.